What's up everyone, how are you? This is Seth from Pagemaker, and today I'm going to be doing a walkthrough the landing page editor. The first thing you'll notice is we're in mobile view, and that's because we designed Pagemaker to be mobile first. So whenever you go to edit a template, you're going to be prompted to edit it in mobile. There's a reason for that. Most of your traffic will be on mobile, and that's where we wanted to put your focus. Now you're also able to edit in many different responsive modes. And the biggest benefit of using this landing page builder is that everything's done for you. These are CRO tested landing page templates, and we've done all the heavy lifting. They're optimized, they're data driven, and all you have to do is plug in your content. Pagemaker is a plug and play editor. So if you want to edit text, just simply click and put whatever you want. Same with buttons, images, or any element you see on this page. Everything is editable. If you wanted to change, for example, the color of this button, you would click on the button until it's highlighted green. And then here, you'll see all the options that pertain to the button. You can change things like size, padding, border, radius, and that's how Pagemaker works. It's super intuitive. Everything has that list of options. So if I wanted to change these bottles right here, I can go and edit. I could either upload, I could do it by SVG, or I could insert from URL. So let's just say I wanted to use this image. Just place it in, insert it, and in one click, it's in. Another amazing thing about Pagemaker is that you're able to add and delete sections. So if you want to add a section, we have over 150 modules and growing. These are all CRO tested, and in one click, you can add them to your landing page. We're making these every single day, so you'll have a forever expanding inventory of CRO tested modules, and you could add them and test them and click them onto your landing page in seconds. Another cool thing about the landing page editor is that it's focused on SEO on-page optimization. For example, if I wanted to make this the main H1 heading, here we have options to allocate. The same for H2 and paragraph text. Each landing page has its own dashboard and analytics. You can edit the SMO settings, the SEO. Just pretend this was for CBD, so CBD bottle, the best CBD in USA. I don't know why I'm repeating myself, but let's just finish this as you get the point. You could also do your favicon and branding. You could add custom JavaScript, chats, pop-ups, many cool things. All your tracking, all your analytics. You could add custom CSS. You can allocate your fonts, add Google fonts, same with the colors and the branding. And of course, if you're using coupons, Pagemaker has the ability to issue dynamic coupons. So you could see who's redeemed your coupons. You could upload your coupon codes, and you can get a product URL, upload custom domains, subdomains, and if you are using a lead capture form, you could have all the leads. And that's at a campaign level for each landing page. So if you have 6-7 different landing pages, each single one of them will have all these options. Let me know if you have any questions about the editor. I would love to know your feedback and answer any questions you have. And thank you for watching this video.
What's up everyone? This is Seth with Pagemaker. And today I'm going to be showing you a new landing page template that we'll be launching this Friday. It's CRO tested, it's mobile first, and it's designed for single products. And the best thing about it is that it's universal. You can use it for electronics, clothing, supplements, anything you can think of, it can be accomplished. You'll notice you're in mobile, and that's because with Pagemaker, you design and develop in mobile first. That's where you get most of your traffic, and that's what we wanted to focus on. It's important to build a frictionless customer experience in the viewport most of your traffic will come through. So that's why every single landing page where you go to edit begins in mobile. For the sake of this demo, I will jump into desktop just to give you a breakdown of the structure. And as you know, we like to keep things simple. We wanted to focus on the product, and then we wanted to focus on the offer. We have an area for logos just to build that social proof. We always have videos on our landing page that convert well. People want to see the product in motion, how it works, how to use it. We don't miss an opportunity for any call to action. Again, the goal of this landing page is to get people to add this product to the cart. So we want to entice, engage, and get them to make action as quickly as possible. The testimonial in an awesome area to feature the products in motion being used by people. Lifestyle type of photography. Again, this is a huge conversion booster when people see your products being used by other customers, especially with a dude in a flying wingsuit. And then we end with the call to action, because on mobile, a lot of people will scroll all the way to the bottom, just like on desktop, and we don't want to miss an opportunity. The cool thing about Pagemaker is that you can keep adding. You can remove sections, you could add. And every single day we're adding more. We're working our butts off. We're trying to add 2 to 3 sections per day that are CRO tested that you can add just with a single click of a button. The builder is like very intuitive. It's super simple. You just click and you say whatever you want. So for example, if you wanted to change this image, just click, and you'll notice on the right-hand side is where you administer everything. So every element that you see in these green boxes pertains to this right-hand side. If you want to change the image, you just click, and within one click, you put in another product image. Or let's say you wanted to use this template, but convert it to like supplements. This is how fast you could do it. I'll try to do it fast without. Okay, so head over to background image, find a different background color. You upload by URL, inline SVG, yada yada, but for this sake I already have it loaded. Bang. Let's start playing around with the colors, and that's how quick you could start getting into building. And like I said, it's CRO tested, everything's done, it looks amazing in mobile. It works with Shopify, WordPress, BigCommerce. You just have to add your permalinks, throw the user in the cart page and the checkout page, and you could turn an electronic landing page into a supplement landing page in minutes. Throw on your Facebook pixel, add some live chats, literally whatever you want. And it's a super powerful builder. We're adding, like I said, modules every single day, and it's with the focus on e-commerce. So that's how fast you can get going and kind of building it into a supplement landing page. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're ever looking or interested in using a landing page builder, Pagemaker does have a free lifetime plan. I can't promise it'll be free forever, but right now you could join with no credit card. You could test our landing page, run your traffic, and see how you perform before ever paying us $1. We stand behind our product. We make sure that it not only looks good, but it loads fast. It's grading well on GT metrics, and that it's a true landing page builder for e-commerce users. Thank you for your time, and if you have any questions, shoot us over a message, and we'd love to talk e-commerce. Thank you.